Welcome back. In just a short while, we'll be cutting across to Prime Minister Modi addressing the 21st Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit that is expected to begin in just a short while. It will be the fourth summit in which India is participating as a full-fledged member state. But it definitely assumes a lot of significance this time, because this will be in the backdrop of Taliban takeover in Afghanistan. How do Pakistan and China react to it? Because while India has not recognized the Taliban government yet, Pakistan and China were the first, quick, immediate to accept and agree to the Taliban government and recognizing it in Afghanistan. Now, the virtual summit that is just scheduled to begin will focus on the COVID pandemic for one, but also on a multilateral economic cooperation and a host of other issues as well. The meeting will, of course, be attended by Pakistan and China, and therefore, with the whole Afghanistan development, this meeting assumes significance. What has already happened with regard to the summit? External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has met his counterparts from China, Iran, Armenia, Uzbekistan. That has happened in Dushanbe. But ahead of the meeting, China has already given out a statement that it is ready to have close communication with member states and continue to work on Afghanistan to build an open and inclusive political structure. But now remember that in a war-torn country controlled by Taliban. So, of course, what remains to be seen, will Taliban and Afghanistan find a direct mention by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Will there be the border discussion with China? Will some of these issues find a mention in the SCO summit? But also remember, there is going to be the security aspect that may also be discussed with regard to India, Pakistan, China and the borders that we share with our neighboring countries. For now, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has met China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi. That happened on the sidelines of the SCO summit. And as we await that address by the Prime Minister, I want to wrap up this bulletin, but I'll be right back after a short break. You can always catch all the developments on IndiaToday.in or on our application as well. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.